Welcome to the Lippert Technical Institute. My name is Emily, and I'm one of the many trainers that calls the Technical Institute home. And today we're asking another trainer to join the conversation. She's the main trainer for our marine side of the Technical Institute.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and like Emily said, I am the designated trainer for the Marine Division of our Technical Institute. And like you and many other people know, we have RV Technical Institute, which has been training classes for over 10 years, and we really want to mirror what we do on the marine side with what our RV side has been doing. We've been doing this for about a year now, just developing courses, and so far we have 5 courses that are ready and available to train on.
And what have you developed for those courses so far?
So we really started back with just basics. So basic marine course, which takes a customer or a dealer through anything that they would need to know if they were new to boating. And then from there, we have a basic electric course for marine. A lot of our products do entail electrical installs and troubleshooting. And then we also have our Sure Shade Power Bimini course, as well as our Lumar shallow water anchor, and then our Venta pontoon winch.
It seems like you have a few courses that were developed with a specific product or brand in mind. Are there other brands or products that fall under the Lippert umbrella for the Marine Division?
Yes, at Lippert we've acquired quite a few different companies to make up our Marine Division. Like I mentioned, we have a Lumar shallow water anchor. Lumar also provides windlasses, winches, anchoring, and also thrusters with a long list of other products that they can provide. We also have Sure Shade, which is our telescoping shade company. We also are a large OEM for pontoon furniture. We also have TaylorMade, which is known for their windshields, their sport toys, and also their buoys. Finally, we have Furrion, which handles our appliances, and Trend Marine, which does our glazing and glass products. And then we also have acquired a new company called Marine Trailer Performance.
It sounds like we cover a lot of different products. What can technicians really gain from taking these classes, and what can they kind of expect them to look like?
At Lippert, we take great pride in supporting our technicians by them supporting our customers, which then helps them to feel more confident when they're working on a Lippert product. We start by having them go into the classroom where they'll learn our components about the products. They'll learn how to install, maintenance, and troubleshooting, as well as gain experience hands-on. So we have a lot of mockups that we've built with our products where they can go in and troubleshoot and then even diagnose an issue and then perform a procedure to fix that product.
It sounds like we provide a lot of different support and resources for technicians and dealerships. Are there any other last things you would like people to know or anything you would like to say to people?
We're really excited to begin training on the marine side, and we are looking for some feedback and just some information to get us going. So if you could, click on the QR code and complete a very brief survey and let us know what sort of classes or things that we can do to help support you. That will help us in preparing for future courses.
And I think with all of that being said, I can thank you for joining us today at the Lippert Technical Institute.